Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch take on the Cyber Block, and Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9766. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's, here one, there one. 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 Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 2 minutes. Yes, we solved this in 2 minutes. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Oh, apologies. Apologies. Ay. What's happening today? What's happening today? Apologies. Okay. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.